I'm Dr. Tina Marcantel, and I practice integrative medicine in Mesa, Arizona. I've been a healthcare professional for over 20 years, first as a registered nurse and now as a licensed naturopathic physician. I'd like to take a few moments to share with you my philosophy about the practice of medicine. There are 4 guiding principles I like to use when working with patients. First, I will treat you as a whole person, not a medical condition. Second, I'll work with you to discover the root cause of your health problems. Third, I will empower you with knowledge. And fourth, you and I will both be active participants in your healing process. Let's talk about these key points. First, you are a whole person, not a medical condition. Human beings are complex creatures, and it's important to consider the emotional and mental state of a patient as well as the physical symptoms. To achieve that, it's necessary that we establish a relationship based on trust between the doctor and patient. Second, I'll work with you to discover the root cause of your health problems. One of the underlying goals of naturopathic medicine is to find and eliminate the root cause of the patient's health concerns. If we just treat symptoms without finding what's causing those symptoms, your problems are sure to return. For example, if a patient says she's having difficulty sleeping, I could simply prescribe a sedative. But if we look deeper, we may find that the patient has a hormonal imbalance that's causing the insomnia. We can correct that problem, which will eliminate the insomnia and probably other problematic symptoms as well. How do we get to the root causes? First, I'll spend a lot of time listening to you because you know yourself better than anyone else. Then, through physical assessments and lab screening, if needed, we'll design a protocol specifically for you. Next, I'll empower you with knowledge. Another of the underlying principles of naturopathic medicine is the doctor is teacher. The better you understand your body and know how it works, the better you'll be able to deal with your health challenges. One comment I often get from new patients is, "No doctor has ever explained this to me." Many doctors working within the managed care system are under so much time pressure that they don't have time to explain to patients what's going on with their bodies. I want to teach you how your body operates so you can help yourself heal. That brings us to the 4th guiding principle. You and I will both be active participants in your healing process. I'll support you every step of the way and I will give you the tools you need, but ultimately you will be the one to heal yourself. I often tell my new patients that if they're not ready to take an active role in their own healing process, then they aren't ready for integrative or naturopathic medicine. As you probably can tell, I believe passionately in integrative healthcare because I've seen how effective it can be in changing the lives of so many of my patients. Thanks for allowing me to share that vision with you.